is up, squad? Welcome back to another moving vlog. It's the weekend before I actually move. I am moving on June 1st and I am getting like so excited to actually move. I need to start actually packing. I haven't been packing. Most of anything that I've been doing around the house is decluttering and cleaning. This whole week up until the day I move, I will be packing, breaking down furniture, whatever I can break down, and make sure I have enough boxes to put everything together. There's a few things that I want to do for the weekend, and I think I'm just going to put today and tomorrow in one vlog. It's 11:50 thereabout right now. I got up around after 7, stayed in bed for about an hour, and then ate breakfast and watched 2 movies. So I was kind of reluctant on starting, but what I plan on doing today is actually packing the clothes up and emptying this jar and putting it in suitcases. Anything that I leave on here would be what I wear to work during the week. But the first thing I'm going to start on is inside my closet. So you know I decluttered my clothes and everything, but I completely disregard any stuff I had on the bottom parts of the closet. I will be dealing with that today and hopefully it goes pretty fast. Let's put on some music. Now, let's begin. Hidden in the dungeon of my closets are my graduation pictures. Like what? Thought I put these up so carefully. Probably a little bit too careful. This is when I went to Sheridan College. Oh god. So, found that bag with one of the huge comforters that I bought some time ago. But at least it fit all my sheets and my towels in it, so there's a bag. And then some of these I'm gonna have to throw away and donate the bags that I'm not using and other stuff here. But I'm done cleaning. Those are my important documents that I finally decided that I'll just deal with it when I get to my apartment. Trash, donating, trash, and then I already addressed that earlier. But I'm gonna put these away because these are the things I'm keeping. Those in my car, and then whichever day I can just drop them off at Valley Village and take out trash. The next thing I'm gonna do, I think, is pull this futon apart and pack up those chairs as well as pack up my lighting and see what I can actually pack in my boxes. I'm only going to work until Thursday, so I have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and then everything else I'm going to pack up. And as you can see, I cleared out all my shoes. To be honest, I think I need a break at this point, so I'm just going to continue tomorrow. And right now I'm just going to finish playing games. If at one point I just feel like doing more stuff, then I'll just grab out the vlogging camera. But I think that's it for the day. Like I'm over packing already. Good morning, Earthlings. I am honestly not in the best shape right now. I'm having a killer migraine, and this happened like from last night. I haven't taken anything for it only because I don't like to take pills unless it's absolutely necessary. I might eventually cave because this headache is like, it's terrible. So I feel like the camera is lean. Okay, the plan for today, whether or not it will be executed, is to take down this futon and hopefully it can fit inside my car so I can go to like one of those containers that the city set up where you can get rid of like old furniture that is in decent condition to recycle. I'm gonna also break down those chairs. I am leaving the table here because there's absolutely no space in my apartment for that table, so it makes no sense that I bring it. So hopefully the next tenant actually has use for it, so I'm leaving that there. So this here broke off on the other side, so the mattress is slumping. Either way, the mattress is like done, dead deal. I will never buy another futon that is like mattress because it doesn't last very long and it's just like whatever. But I had this since I moved in. This was my bed before I actually got a bed when I moved in, so this served me this served me well for the time being. And then I have to stop by the dollar store or the home hardware store to grab a screwdriver tool kit as well as packing tape because I need packing tape as well. So let's start doing that. You know what? I'm going to take a pill because I can't take this migraine right now. Like, it actually makes me feel nauseous. And to be completely honest, I don't think I've been eating very well. What was I looking for again? Oh my god. Oh, pills. I'll take another pill. So, yeah. Fell on the stairs and broke my neck.
You got to let it go.
Broke my nail. I'm not showing the finger or anything, but I broke my nail, which I'm glad that I didn't do my nails only because I expected this to happen. I can't believe I had to pay $8 to drop off garbage. In what life? Seriously. And you're recycling, which is a good thing, but you have to pay to recycle. It just doesn't make sense.
You got to let it go. You got to let it go. You got to let it go.
Oh, I'm by grandma now, but I decided to take the chance and vacuum my car because I won't have another time to do it since I plan on selling my car.
To let it go.
So I'm back home. I am just going to keep the momentum going and pack away my light and stuff. This is a bunch of food grandma gave me, which I'm happy about because I really didn't plan on cooking at all. So I have lunch for tomorrow and I'll go by her again tomorrow to get more lunch for the other 2 days. So yay! Got me coconut water as well. So shout out to grandma. Got myself a plantain which I'll probably fry a little bit later. It's 6 right now. That I I forgot to pick up the screwdriver, so I'm about to run out and get that real quick because I needed to pull the chairs apart properly instead of using my knife. I'm gonna go do that, but I'm not going to bring my vlog camera with me because it's just literally down the road. And yeah, I'm back and I got this little bad boy. It's a multi-purpose one. So I'm pretty much over the rest of the night. I am going to take a shower and try to pre-comb my hair so I don't have to deal with it in the morning. I'm not gonna braid it because I'm too lazy for that. After I get home tomorrow, I'm going to officially start packing my clothes in my suitcases. I just pulled them out. They're sitting over there and there are 2 under my bed. And as you know, I packed that one with shoes. And did I record that I broke down the chairs? What's left is for me to actually break down the center table and break down my entertainment table, as well as break down my bed and obviously pack my clothes into the suitcases. And then that's pretty much it. Oh, obviously packing my plates and whatnot, which I have I think that's 4 boxes over there lined up right there. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I really don't have that much things to pack, but it just seemed overwhelming for just one person to do. But you know, I'm here by myself, I have to live by myself, and I have to just do stuff by myself, so it's fine. It's totally fine. I'm not arguing or not complaining or anything like that. I've been talking for a long time. I'm just chilling for the rest of the night. It's currently 8:40, so my bedtime is like at 10. Just got home from work. It's Tuesday and 2 of the furniture that I ordered online got delivered. The futon, which I don't know why the box came like this, but at least I can peek a little bit. And then you have this, which is my double bed new mattress, memory foam and all that. So yay. So anyways, the plan for tonight, as you can see that I packed out my drawers yesterday. Everything is empty in this. So tonight I'll be taking down this frame here and I'll be sleeping on the floor for the next 2 nights. I need to start vacuuming. Like, look at my floor, it's disgusting. And what's left to do is pack up my pots and my plate and everything. I can probably throw away those Tupperwares. Like, who always keep like butter Tupperwares? Because I do. But yeah, I already like deep cleaned my fridge. So after I take out everything, I'm just gonna wipe it down again one more time so I make sure it's clean for the other tenant. And then also gonna be breaking these down. I might just do this the same time tonight, but first things first, I feel like I need to take a shower. I can't, it's just me, but like after you get home from work and I can't just sit, unless I'm extremely tired and lazy, I can't just sit. I have to shower before I touch anywhere, sit anywhere in my house. Like, I have to shower. Anyways, I'm gonna go do that and then I'm gonna start on the bed. A sister just realized she's hungry, so I'm gonna grab some food that grandma gave me yesterday and eat. Your girl is starving. So my food is heating up, so I decide let me get this on the road. Don't think I forgot about my giveaway. I haven't. I just haven't gotten the chance, and then you guys know all the things that happened last year. But they're still in here. I still intend on doing a giveaway, and when I move and settle, I might just do it. If you're watching this and you're not subscribed, subscribe to my channel so you can get a chance to win some delicious makeup. taken down my bed. Now I'm sleeping on the floor for the next 2 nights. All that's left to do is packing all my stuff, the plates, whatever. The hard work is done. So I feel like I won't have enough time to pack everything tomorrow, but that's me just worrying on a whole just different than way. But this is everything. I made sure to tape the screws on so that, you know, everything is good and perfect. All the suitcases over there and the big thing. So I'm gonna have to break these down tomorrow. I'm actually really tired right now and I can't deal. So I'm gonna finish it up tomorrow. I'm just gonna have to do everything. So ow. So yeah, I'm gonna call it a night. See you guys tomorrow.